So it's x infinity of a certain v, and we need to explain what is infinity, which is the steady state. We need to explain what is v, which is our knob membrane with the channels. And so let's start with just open as a function of membrane potential. A few of them, maybe three. Channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. And then in this other panel we would have the probability of them opening and closing for 1, 2, and 3. And 3. The proportion of channels open at any given time, so if we choose any given time here, our x variable is going to be constant, because if we have many channels, the proportion of channels open is going to stay roughly constant, right? So over time then, our x variable is a constant for this. It may vary a bit because you have like a certain number of channels, but ultimately the state that they're going to be in the population, the proportion is roughly a constant. And it's constant for each point here because we're assuming a certain V context. When V is equal to 30 millivolts, then a certain proportion of them are open and closed. This really means that there's a finite amount of channels that are conducting in a certain state, which results into a constant proportion. If V is constant, then X is constant. That's the idea. So we can start explaining this via V is constant, X is constant. What does it mean, X? X is the proportion of these guys, basically how many of them are at any given time open and close.